$250,000 to get it here, so that's where they get you folks, shipping and handling fees, so watch out. But let's see this crash site in action from this scene in War of the Worlds.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Stephen.
You sit down to talk about what if the 747 goes down right in the big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're going back in present.
Just a friendly reminder, folks, we're about 10 minutes out from the end of our tour, so if you do drop your phone or just can't reach this restroom, pull the red emergency cord and remain seated. Take a look on our left-hand side as we exit the war. The world set that log cabin was built for the great outdoors, starring John Candy and Dan Aykroyd. Now, I'm so sorry about this, folks. I'm getting a weird call from our security office. They're being asked to be patched through to the tram, which means it's urgent. Hang tight for just a moment. This is Sarah. What's going on over there?